If DaVinci Resolve is showing error code 719, don't worry. In this video, I'm going to walk you through a simple step-by-step fix that clears the most common cause of this problem. This error is usually linked to corrupted GPU cache data or failed frame processing during playback. And the good news is that you can often fix it without reinstalling the software or losing your project. If this tutorial helps you, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more easy DaVinci Resolve fixes and editing tips. Now, let's get into it. First, open your project and go to the Edit page. Make sure your clips are visible on the timeline, because we want to work from a normal editing view before clearing anything. Once you're in the Edit page, look at the top menu and click Playback. From there, hover over Render Cache and set it to None. This step matters because it disables any problematic cached frames that may be causing the 719 error during playback. Next, go back to the Playback menu again, then choose Delete Render Cache and select All. This removes any corrupted cache files that DaVinci Resolve may be trying to use in the background. If the cache is damaged, Resolve can keep loading the same broken data over and over, which is why clearing it is such an important step. After this, give the software a moment to process the cleanup. Now we're going to remove the local cache files manually. Go to DaVinci Resolve in the top menu, then click Preferences. Inside Preferences, open the Media Storage section. This is where Resolve stores or references cache locations, and it helps us identify the folder that may be holding the broken GPU cache data. Once you're in Media Storage, take a look at the first storage path listed there. That first path is usually the one Resolve uses most actively for cache-related files. Now close DaVinci Resolve completely. This part is important because you should never delete active cache folders while the program is still running. With Resolve closed, open the first path from Media Storage in your File Explorer. Inside that folder, look for the CacheClip folder in the GPUCache folder. Delete both of them. These folders can contain broken or outdated cache data that may be triggering the error 719 playback issue. Clearing them forces Resolve to rebuild fresh cache files the next time it opens. After deleting those folders, reopen DaVinci Resolve and return to your project. Play back the timeline again and test the same clip that was causing the issue. In many cases, Resolve will now rebuild a clean cache and the error will be gone. If playback works normally, that means the corrupted cache was the problem and the fix was successful. If you're still seeing the error after this, double-check that you cleared the correct cache location and that render cache is still set to none while testing. In most cases, though, this method resolves error code 719 because it removes the broken render and GPU cache files that interfere with frame processing. So to quickly recap, the fix is set render cache to none, delete all render cache, locate your media storage path, close Resolve, remove the CacheClip and GPUCache folders, and then reopen the program to test playback. That's the safest and most effective way to reset the cache and get back to editing. If this video helped you fix DaVinci error code 719, please like the video, subscribe for more editing tutorials, and leave a comment if you want more DaVinci Resolve troubleshooting guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.